Many studies have shown that watching fish going about their daily business in their cool fish tanks can reduce your stress levels, lower your blood pressure, and make you feel more relaxed. Here are 10 coolest home aquariums. Balancing Fishbowl. Just looking at this fish tank makes me uncomfortable. However, it is resting on its counterbalanced weight, so there's probably nothing to worry about. Made from premium glass, hand-blown and slumped by a master glassblower, each tank has its own unique form and individual characteristics. The Air Aquarium. The Air Aquarium is a glass, zeppelin-shaped aquarium, supported by a steel frame with simplistic design and combination of simple elements that are part of everything yet autonomous, according to the French designer Amaury Poudre, a part of the brand new design studio Matiere, iPond. The iPond is an iPod accessory that combines a speaker with a tiny aquarium. A single fish lives in about 650 milliliters of water. RSPCA spokesman Hugh Vierth said despite the fighting fish's ability to breathe air from the surface, the tank was far too small for it to receive adequate oxygen. Aquarium Sink. This highly entertaining accessory allows you to enjoy an aquarium or zen garden within your restroom. The top glass rises in case you need to rearrange the decor, and both sides offer a large, circular entry for fish feeding. Mason jar fish tank. The jars unscrew from the bottom of the shelf, making it easy to fill or clean the jars. The holes into the mason jar are large enough to provide enough oxygen for a betta to survive with a flower or plant coming through the shelf. It is the perfect way to show off pretty flowers, while grabbing the attention of your guests at the same time. Fish tank coffee table. This fish tank coffee table is a crowd pleasure. Its base is a fully functional aquarium, and due to the B-leveled glass, nothing you place on the table will disturb the fish. There is a 2-inch opening on the surface where feeding occurs, and the entire glass top is easily lifted when it is time to add fish or redecorate. Pipeline fish tank. This is a guy who is truly a fan of fishes and aquariums. He made this awesome pipeline fish tank, which is all over this cafe. You can't take a seat, relax and watch fishes swim in those pipes. It is very unusual, but you must give him a mark for creativity. Fishes can move from one aquarium to another because of those pipelines which connects them. Labyrinth Aquarium. This very innovative and rare aquarium is offered in 3 colors. The tables are produced in cherry, black or carbon fiber, and they conceal the rare filtration and lighting components. Fish swim freely throughout the entire aquarium. Designed for tropical freshwater fish. Hanging fish tank. These unusual fish tanks display your pet in a very creative manner. An LED light, which illuminates in moon white, is built into the top, does not shine on fish. The feeding holes are on top of the fish tanks. Duplex aquarium bird cage. Duplex is an aquarium/cage favoring an improbable encounter between a bird and a fish. The aquarium is thermoformed so as to create a space where the bird can fly at the same visual level as the fish. Thank you for watching. If you like this type of content, please leave a like, comment and subscribe to make the algorithm god happy.